Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Vanguard 57 error in League of Legends. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, find CMD or command prompt. Click on Run as an administrator. And then once done, click on Yes. And then here, just type down VGC. Okay? Hit on Enter. Now type down delete VGK. Hit on Enter, and then once that's done, close this one. Right click on your start menu, click on Installed Apps. And then in here, just find Vanguard. Click on three dots and install it. Uninstall. Yes. Yes once more. And just wait for it to fully disappear. Okay? And then after that, go ahead and launch Riot Client. And it will then go ahead and ask you to what? Update League of Legends or any other Riot games from here. For example, this one is League of Legends. Just update it. Wait for the process to finish right here. Okay. And then after that, it will ask you to restart your computer. So just go ahead and restart your computer. So let's just go ahead and wait for the pop-up right here that will ask us to restart our computer. There you go. So click on close. And before you restart, click on search right here and find startup apps. Okay. Go ahead and find Vanguard train notification, enable it, as well as Riot Client. And then after that, close this one. Now just restart your computer. And then after that, launch the game. And then you're good to go. That is how you fix Vanguard 57 error in League of Legends. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.